where we stopped the last time. And I remember that I told you that with your Microsoft Access, you can even design a CBT for students, since what you are adding to academically is now going to electronics, which is computer. Almost everything you do now has to be on computer base. Now look at what I've designed here, which is my own CBT for people. Once you click this, now the first thing it shows to you is already those names that have been registered. If you are new, I'll come here into new user, and so you fill in this so that you can have your password here, and you can have your name on the list we have here for subjects. Now I'm going to pick the first person, just Peter Anthony. If it's Peter Anthony, I have a list of subjects here and questions for them as well. But what I've done is just to paste in the same question just for a demo and see how it works. Now I pick the art subjects for Anthony, and you ask for password 1 2 3. Let me put it as password and click enter here. Now it opens for me the question, and it had already started reading countdown. I may not be fast with this, but let me just start answering the question. This first one is A. When you press A, you press tab so that it takes you to the second question, and the second one too is A. Press tab, it takes you for the third question, and when you press tab, it goes like that. Let me pick D here. Here is a country passages. Okay, let me pick C. I'm going to run a C. A, laptop. You say, what do you call a portable laptop? I think it's A. Which is not the real antivirus software? I think is C. This one A. This one I think is E. Around what chat program does people around the world use most? Let me pick B. What is the most challenging? Let me pick C. I have 45 minutes more, 45 seconds more, 42 seconds more. What do you have there? What do you use to click? I have D. I think it's mouse. What do you use to type your B? Press tab. Internet. C. I think it's C. To connect internet. Wow, what line do you use to connect internet? Motherboard. A. First one here, A. I pick A. I have 11 seconds, 10 seconds. Call it D. I pick D. This one, something I've skipped there. A. I think A. Oh, time is over. So I can't do anything now. Look at it. I can't click. I can't do anything. And look at the scores he has given unto me. He has marked it by itself and say I scored 15 score. That's my mark of 20 questions, and my percentage is just 75%, and grade there is very good. Very good. Now I've designed this. There's nothing you can do. I can't go back. I can't click anything. Nothing will work here. Go to run. Nothing will work. Now I've designed this that my Microsoft says that is the package. It records this, which is the art, to this person's record. Like I may want to check the correction here. Let's check the correction. So when I click here to check the correction, it brings this out for me to put the correction. And the first one here says the first answer correct, second answer correct, third one correct. And let me scroll down. Wow, 4. You see wrong? What's the correct answer? E. Wow. I have to widen it. I have to do the adjustment there to widen it so that we can see the rest of the answer. Here it's a correct. Here correct. Here correct. See wrong. Wow. Why? Where are you? Let me go back up there. Yeah, this is B. Okay, it's a change setting. What does control panel do? Control panel do is a change setting. What did I pick? I pick A. Control the cursor. No, say wrong. This is the answer, B. So you continue to scroll down and let me see where I've not gotten it right. And let me see this one correct. Oh, no answer. Okay, this one correct. No answer. I didn't pick answer for this. And this one I didn't pick answer well for that. See, so to correct you, where you look at the percentage, yes, 20 question, 15 score, 75%, very good, and that's shown me the correct answer. Now when I click to cancel, it brings out the result, the report sheet for me, and by itself, look at it here, art by itself, it has recorded it for me by itself. Art, I designed it with corridor. This stamp is already there. Now look at the teacher's comments. It's a fail, husband to repeat the same class. This one is just the one I put just to test the statement, the conditional statement. Now look at the total score is 440, 50 marks, 3%. Okay, now let me close this. If I close this too, it will bring out the same report sheet. So I close it. Now I'm done with art. Now let me pick another subject for this person, the same question, but let me just pick another subject and let's go back there. Now once you click to bring out the question, I look at Christian religion knowledge, and let me start working on this. Let me see if I can get up to 20 mark. A. This one here is C. This one here is what do I pick here? Come on. D, C, A. No, sorry. Can go back here. Pick A, and here, no, it's not C, it's C. Can pick C. Here, change setting, B. Oh, yes, got it right here. The next one, what chat program does people around the world use most? I pick B. Okay, next one is what is the most used search engine? C. D. Pick D here. B. Oh, where's B? Okay, what do you use to connect to the internet? Modem. I'll just use modem here. You see, am I right? I don't know. Connects to internet. See, it's a repeated question. This, I think, what is internet? To browse the internet. See, true. A. What do you do if your computer dies or malfunction? Call a professional. D. Oh, this one, I'm come back to do that. This one, I pick A. I have 9 seconds more. Wow, this one, A. 20. Oh, come on. Where is B? Oh, my. 16. 80%. Excellent. 80%. Excellent. Now let me check for correction here. The first one, second one correct. Oh, the fourth one say wrong. Why? A. E is the answer. Welfare. Okay, welfare catering. Okay, let me pick this. Correct. Okay, good. Wrong. Wow. A is the answer. Phone line. Oh, I was too much in a hurry. This one correct. A. Good. No answer. Good. Correct. And correct. Fine. So here, Christian religion said, this one says 20, 17, and 85%. Excellent. Good. Now let me close it and see where that it will look at. Wow, it has recorded it by itself. Look at it here. Christian religion 17, 85%. Excellent. See, Now it's boosting it a little bit up. Now let me close this and close this as well. Excellent. I'm sure it's to, of course, definitely you see bring this out, see 70%, and close it. So I can continue to pick the subject, but there's one thing I want to tell you. Once a student has answered a question, you will not be able to go back and do anything. Like for instance, we have answered this question hard, so when I click, you see what it says, sorry, either this candidate has attempted this question once or no question had been set for this candidate yet. Please contact your administrator. Thank you. This is very simple thing you can design for yourself. It doesn't need programming language. All the tools you need, they are already in Microsoft Access. All you need to do is just pick the tools and ask Microsoft Access, perform this action for me, or pick the tools and put in a statement that you want it to show. Once it meets a particular statement, whether true or false, once you put your statement there and it meets it right, then it will show up the message. That's just what you can do with Microsoft Access. Now, like I told you, I have lot of this to show to you, but this one is just the CBT that any people can start to train itself or train your children with. Now, if I want to, or this student to repeat this question again, all I need to do is just to come to the official. The first thing I have to do is just to put in the password 16, let me see, so that I will not make mistake. Okay, slash 2018. Good. So that it will take me to the administrative page where I can remove the earlier question that the answer, because this is student answer, this is what this person answers. I can be able to see this answered here and the subject. I'll click here, I'll click at, look at that's what that is answered for me. So I can delete this if I want to give him another attempt. I can delete this, but I make sure he doesn't know how to do that, so that he will not go back by itself. Once you allow it to do it, he can't get the password until the parent comes back from work to check this and to see the answer. Now let me close this. Now let me go back to the art. You see that is now open. It can now open and repeat it. But once it has been answered, the students cannot have access to it again. They cannot repeat the question again. Look at it here. You know, once you click, it comes with this. So if I want to give him another attempt, I go into the administrative page and bring out his name, bring out the subject. You know, I've done this, I've removed the answers, so I can come back to this and remove the answers as well, so that I can give him another attempt to do that. And once I've done that, I have to remove the password here so that he doesn't get access to it by itself. Now that's for this. We're still coming up with more of what you can do with Microsoft Access. Now let me close this and let's stop here